Good morning and welcome back. How are we doing? If you've seen the last footage, you did see I finished off that and that is now running sweet as a nut. Do need to test drive that, but that's a later thing. You did see I gave this quite a bit of a clean and made it all pretty. I've only got that on just because I put that in a parts washer and I didn't want it to drip, as you can see. That's just the oil marks, but I didn't want it to drip inside the head. Is that back on? But I have got, you can't really see it, that manifold that needs to get bolted back on, and we'll get into this in a minute because hopefully by the end of this video something fun should be happening. But before you see me lying on the floor, let's go and see the main man.
Who's the main man?
John, the main man.
I'm the main man.
How are we, Mr. Jono?
Good, thank you. How's it going?
What are we doing?
We are doing a gear linkage butch on this nightmare of a van.
John's,
Yeah, obviously she's a bit of a bugger because she got a con diesel litre. I can't lift it right up because of the roof rack. So, it's not been the funnest one to do. But it's going back on now. And in
the starters in.
Yeah. Start the back in now and then we'll set the linkage up. And on to the next.
Mr. John has loved doing this.
Only got you 2 days.
Me and Di yesterday had to go pick up another van and we come back and John didn't look very happy, let's put it that way. He wasn't impressed. But
It's done now.
happy days, and then he's got
It's another T4 fully working.
fixed and back on the road. Today we are going to, and I say we because I am going to be calling help quite often, but what the plan is we're going to change this timing belt, put a whole new, should really put that paint somewhere else, down there for now, put a new belt on, and then she's got a brand new timing belt. That is the plan. So hopefully should be able to hear it start. Oh. But first things first, I am very fortunate that obviously I have these experts here just in case. I mean, I have got a rough idea of how to do this, but luckily enough they know perfectly. So I will be calling upon them just to make sure I don't do everything wrong. Put that there. Undo this bad boy. That was the bit of advice I actually just got, was to loosen that first while everything's done. But next job, take that pulley off. Right, had to go and help Johnny. He was doing the linkage and I was helping him set that up. But the band's now there and it's done. But since then, that pulley which was on there, that's now off. And she's now set, we can see, to TDC. You probably ain't going to see that, but take my word for it. Well, I'm taking a lot of tips off of the correct way of doing this, off of these two, but John's just gone off to go deal with a customer. So, we're going to go bug die. Dynamo.
What's happening?
We good?
Yeah, man. Always good. Fighting tricky nut. I think I got it now.
Oh, you're doing that?
Yeah.
Really cool plate.
I could not get my fingers down there. But with the magic tool. Full of stuff, huh?
Oh, broken.
Yeah.
Quite cool, I know.
Yeah.
help a lot now and again.
What's Mr. Dynamo's job for the day?
I don't know really. Hopefully I get the chance to jump on the white van and do a bit of noise with the grinder.
Yay. I'm talking about the white van. Let's go have a look at the progress of Mr. Dye's. Now, if you can remember last time, this had nothing on it. Well, obviously, put together. Looks a little bit more complete. So that is now on. A lot less rusty than it was. Now, he's on to this bit. And then he's got this bit to do. New wing. And then I'm guessing t'other side. So that is the progress on the white van. Hopefully if Dye comes over here later and he's able to get a few hours on this, talk to the man.
Yeah.
Just saying that. Does that need doing?
Yeah.
Huh?
So I gotta get to
Oh boy.
yeah, in the hatch.
Oh, I didn't see any of that. But it's a lot more complete.
Yeah. Coming.
Actually, panels on it.
That we did a leak now. And it's done. That obviously need to do more grinding. Voila. And yeah. As soon as I finish that, they're off. Hatch, so
So there you go. There's a little update on what's happening, kind of. So I'm going to carry on with this. Also finish my coffee. And then carry on with this. Well, I don't know how much of that we just shown, but we have now taken off the belt for the power steering pump. It is now at TDC. Belt's down there. I'm now just going to take this bottom pulley off and start taking this side apart. So, see you in a sec. Bye, belt. Bye, tensioner. We've been through so much. Alright, well there's that lot all apart. Belts are off. She's dirty, so I'm going to give her a clean. I'll also take that other one off and give that a bit of a clean. But I'm going to clean all this up. So, here's it before. So it's like, right, been a little minute, but I'm back. In fact, before I'm back again. Hello. Oh, that was more polite than I was expecting.
yes, I'm from Europe.
I'm a Welsh Europe man.
Yeah.
So what have we done on this, Mr. Day?
I put missing bolts from engine mount. Apparently she don't sound very good, but I just check the crank pulley, make sure that's all nice and tight. I check the timing, I check the tensioner. Yeah, the cam and the lifters don't look very. But obviously, I want to check everything.
Yeah. You've seen this one a couple of videos ago. It was the one that was broken.
Not quite as broken as we thought, but it was broken.
So he has rebuilt all this. And pretty much.
Yeah. Nice shiny clean manifold, but we didn't do that. 10 new valves, skimmed.
Look at that.
Brand new.
And that. Done.
Yeah. So we've got a TDC here now in a moment. Give the block a bit more clean. What I do need though in a moment is my cam locking tool. So we're going to go and fit your cam belt.
Well, that is the next.
Come on.
That is the next part of my job.
Come on.
I have done lots of cleaning though.
What?
So I have done lots of cleaning. Tell you what, I found oil in places I don't think oil was supposed to go.
No.
No. Also, what am I doing with this hat?
Put it back in the monkey van. Put it back in.
Does the monkey van come with the cool hat?
No.
Oh. And I, if you can remember, was cleaning this up. Making it look all pretty. And here's my kit. Ta-da!
Change your water pump. Take the 3 bolts on the water pump, take that one and that one, and then put that back plate back on. And where's the cam locking tool at the end of the plan? Okay.
It should be there.
Yeah, no. It's gone dead.
I genuinely haven't touched it. It's not fell down the side, is it?
Okie dokie, go on. Right, so what we need now,
That's alright, as long as I know it's.
what we need now is gauge tensioner. Right, so give us a little nipple, not too much. Then move on. Big cam belt. Right, facing that way.
Well, unfortunately, my camera died. But finish that side. John's just finishing off this side.
There you go. I do loga doga. And now, give them 2 full spins.
Well, I completely forgot to do the ending, but you've seen that's now completely done. Turned it over, well, by hand obviously, and everything is gravy. As you can see, the lights I was literally leaving and I just thought I should really do the ending. But that is now done. Next job, put a rocker cover on and start building her up a bit more. But nicely, she has now got a nice new timing belt. And there's the old crappy stuff there. But that's probably going to be the end there. I mean, we are. I've been shining a torch in my eyes. But that's going to be the end. I mean, we've got done what we need to do. Very deflated today, not going to lie. But tomorrow's a new day. So get on, try and get this thing built up a little bit more. And then show you a little bit more what's going on. But thank you very much. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and just enjoyed the little put together. Hopefully a couple more videos and we might be able to turn the key on this. Fingers crossed, which should be nice. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling and get ourselves gone because we're literally waiting to go. But thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for putting up with our dumbass. And as always, take it easy.